Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate Team. We're at 13 Oliver's Lane. This lovely 4-bedroom brick bungalow is situated on a supersized lot. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you'll walk into the great room with cathedral ceiling and gas fireplace. It's open to the gourmet kitchen and dining area with a walkout to the private deck. The bright and cheerful primary bedroom is a 4-piece ensuite with a custom walk-in shower. The main level has 2 additional bedrooms, a 4-piece bath, and a laundry room. The lower level has a supersized rec room, an office, a bedroom, and a 2-piece bath. A great feature is the very private large backyard.